Hi, Ms. Rua. Hi, colleagues. So today we've done 3 lessons. The first one to define the structure of Nhemamusasa using the upper keys, and then the second one we introduced the bass notes, and then the third one we expanded on the Nhetete. So it started on the basic Nhetete. And then in the third lesson, we had 2 variations of the Nhetetes. And then what I call the signature part. So for this lesson, we want to do 2 more parts of the Nhetetes going up to use the higher ones. And I want to play for 30 seconds or 1 minute so that you get the sound of what we want to learn. So it's so these are the 2 parts that I want to teach. So what we do, on the left side, we choose a part that we're comfortable with. And then you do all the 4 phrases. Now, if you are not comfortable with this, you can go back to what we call the basic part that incorporates the basis. So it's second phrase, third phrase, fourth phrase, or you can do the part that I but whatever part you choose, you keep it constant so that we play the Nhetetes. So the first phrase is it's 6 notes. And if you combine with the left side for the first phrase, and then the second phrase is so if you combine with the left, the third phrase, and if you combine with the left, and then the fourth phrase, the fourth and last. So those are the 4 phrases. So let me do them again. First one. Second one. The third one. The fourth one. And without gaps. So this is a sweet part, and what we're doing is pushing the Nhetetes and now getting to number 7 here. So the second part of the Nhetetes, going up to 8. For the first phrase, you go. So 6 notes. And then if you combine with the left, again. And then the second phrase. Third phrase. Again. And then the last phrase. So if I do it again, first phrase, So now we have some 5 different ways of playing the Nhetetes, and I want to do all of them. So if I start with what we called the signature part. This is the other part. And then what we did today, and the most basic Nhetete where we started from. So we have 5 parts, 5 different ways of playing the Nhetetes, and you pick and choose how you combine them. If you decide the rhythm part that you're going to play with somebody singing, and then when the singer takes a little break, then you can push the Nhetetes to the higher Nhetetes. So I think that's it for this lesson. I want to add by telling 1 or 2 stories. Let me get one different mbira. So this is the mbira that is used by, or was used by Muri Ekwarwizi, and it ends at this key number 8. And the last part of the Nhetetes that we were playing, so this is the outer key, this number 8. And when you listen to some of their songs, their lead singer, Lava Kurotwe Mude, would say, Rova Mbira Yekunze, this is the key. And because the Mbira sound different, I ended up having to get this Mbira so that I could play with my teacher, Magaya, because this was an important key for making sure that the song had reached the climax. But my teacher for the Nhetetes was Judah Katonje Nembire. He enjoyed these Nhetetes. He had a Mbira that extended by another 7 keys this way. So you would start here, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So he had some 15 Nhetetes going this way. This is a way of increasing the number of Nhetetes if you really enjoy the Nhetetes. But other people have done it differently. Let me show you another Mbira. This Mbira here, so these are the Nhetetes. But what the instrument maker did is put another row here of these same Nhetetes. In other words, he wanted to be able to play the Nhetetes with both the left and the right. So you can go. So this is one origin of what we call the Longonda Mbira, where you've got these Nhetetes and then you replicate them. But in the true Longonda, then you even get rid of these basses, so that you just concentrate on the high Nhetetes and these voices of the women. And I've got an example of that Mbira. This is a Longonda made by Matemaye. So this is just to show you. So we've done 2 parts of the Nhetetes, but the Nhetetes can get exciting so that you keep on adding the Nhetetes on the right side of your Mbira. And some people enjoy that last note, Roa Mbira Yekunze. But some people add, you replace the top register here with another register of the Nhetetes, and that Mbira is called the Longonda. This is an example of a Longonda played by Matemai. We'll end our lesson here. Thank you.